Today I'll be showing you how to change the nuts of this. So take this, the screwdriver or whatever you want to say this. This is the original nut for all of my cubes, and that's a prerequisite I would say. So to remove this, you have to first press the transparent part and turn it, and then this comes outside. Now remove the dark blue and put the light blue. Same for that, remove the light blue, put the dark blue, whatever you want to do about this. And then you can actually insert the first I would suggest you, the easier way is to first put this, and then as per the shape of this we can put this. So yeah, inside. Now press, use a little bit of force, and then just twist it. And I think it is set up. So yeah, that's done. Once you hear the clicking noises and this is not coming outside, means it's set up. I usually have this on the 5th tension, and that's the that's good. So thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the video.